If your Windows 11 Start menu isn't opening or your icons are missing, don't worry. In this guide, we'll fix it completely using two powerful advanced methods. Method 1, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, go to the search bar and search Windows Explorer. Right-click Windows Explorer, then click Restart. You'll notice your taskbar disappears for a second. That's normal. This refreshes the entire Windows Shell interface. In the same Task Manager window, click File in the top left corner. Then select Run New Task. Type PowerShell and check. Create this task with administrative privileges. Then press Enter. Once PowerShell opens, copy and paste this command exactly. Now press Enter and wait. Once finished, restart your PC, and you should see your icons and Start menu restored. Method 2. Click on the search icon and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter.SFC scanno. Let it reach 100%, then type this second command and press Enter. After restart, your Start menu and icons should be fully functional again. Smooth, fast, and stable. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more advanced Windows fixes, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you.